Well, we're back this morning. We're going to get this turtle, relocating. I'm going to come in behind him. He's kind of blending in there. Whoa! I'm sinking down to my knees.
Holy crap.
Got him. Whoa, Nick.
Do not do this at home. Uncle Teddy is a professional.
I am an expert. This is a female, it looks like. She already laid her egg. We're going to relocate her. I got him. Okay. She's a nice one.
Oh, man.
It's a big one, too. Look at that head on there. I don't like to hold them too much by the tail because it stretches them out. That's a monster there. That's a nice one.
Oh, yeah.
And that's called a snapping turtle, North American snapping turtle.
He's a monster.
If you look at it. Been in this pond for a long, long time. I know. I know you don't want to be bothered. I'm not bothering you. Now this is not an alligator snapper, people, so you don't reach up there and grab them behind the shell there.
You see him. Oh,
We got him. Look at the muck on him. That's all silk from up above. Better watch my toes there, huh? But I have total control of him. He's okay. We're not going to hurt you. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Get you in a nice pond. Really healthy turtle. Been living on what's left of the fish in there. I think we've seen a couple bluegill. Yeah, that's like quicksand.
yeah.
You can see how I sunk up to my knees. That's old snapping turtle. We'll head towards the water as fast as he can. We're not going to let him back in. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay.
He's watching me.
Oh yeah, he's scared.
Yeah.
He's scared.
Yeah, he don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
We're going to relocate him on our new pond.
I know. I know. Well, you can see how far that head reaches out there? He sees me plain as day. I know, buddy. I know. Yeah, I couldn't see you reaching up in under bank and noodling these.
Oh, no.
Heck no.
No.
He'd cut your finger off. We're not going to torment him. I ain't going to show you that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Quit. Quit. You're okay. You're okay. He coming after me, showing me who's boss here. Yeah, you're okay. It's okay, buddy. Get your shell cleaned up here. Yeah, let's get his shell cleaned up. Oh, you're okay. All the green slime on it. Yeah, she must have laid her eggs because no leeches on her or anything. Yeah, it's a pretty snapper there.
That's a pretty show. Yep.
Yeah, it's still got a lot of green slime on it. Oh, I know. I know. I know. I know. He don't feel threatened now, so,
He knows we're not gonna hurt him.
well, he ain't gonna take no chance.
Yeah, he'd still bite your finger off.
Oh, yes, he would. Well, that should save the last bluegill, so.
Yeah.
Everyone have a wonderful evening.
Have a good day.
We're gonna do another tour.
We'll show you releasing him in our new pond.
Yep.
Have a good day. Bye.
Peace.